Well, Asampa, catch John Kumane, a MPP chairman. Catch almost a phenomenon, but a ɔKAFOɔ is an insult to us. Is a level of impunity towards us. No, on this, a personal pledge becoming a national pledge. Well, ɔKAFOɔ DIDI. Obian kase ɔKAFOɔ DIDI. But DIDI, you're careful because the more who DIDI peche.
I know fa.
ɔKAFOɔ DIDI. O peche DIDI no. What are you saying? No, the question can pass up. One man. Okay.
Now, when I determine the level of ɔKAFOɔ DIDI.
No, sometimes it's annoying. It's insulting. It's insulting.
Now the margin.
It's insulting. It's insulting.
The mission ultimacy. It's ɔKAFOɔ the obedient. But so we did here. And I make out say, who for personal pledge and be multimedia pledge. How? O say, Obehwe. Say akwadana na no dam ko rescue Kofodia no obamna ko suku akodo university e multimedia pledge e ya wo pledge
dan no abofra ya meeting birthday me ko share no me be ya wo sole yi baby Adom na me magia tum sa abofra no metene na mehwe no na fa me say the multimedia for no me it's my personal responsibility.
I disagree.
O disagree. I disagree. No man pam no when you be
I disagree.
Obe disagree one no come on. Yes.
ɔKAFOɔ DIDI.
Yes, ɔKAFOɔ DIDI. What remember? What I remember?
On make it play.
And pay ɔKAFOɔ nkoso DIDI. Na brain so.
Yeah, brain so.
And ebe use ɔKAFOɔ no. Say na say DIDI. Where did the money? Yeah. ɔKAFOɔ DIDI purchase say. Na DIDI I want to be DIDI kati.
There be a DIDI purchase.
Because to material. I want a DIDI. Anopa koko. We are doing again. And you may not be bank.
I didn't know you champions for Duka.
I don't make catch on.
I didn't cut. It won't be DIDI purchase. Any adriania would be and a chair.
Then say,
oh, I'm Mr. Made the other mammy, myself, say, with a catcher, Dr. Ayekuma, Deputy Minister. Na catcher, area Freddie Blay, ɔKAFOɔ DIDI ampa. By ɔKAFOɔ Adriani Biana Ede, Udi. It is Mr. As we speak now, National Service for, because of 599 now 2 months, 3 months, MI. As we speak now, school feeding secretariat, Nsem no, IABC Basa. As we speak now, Ghana Mampenyi Eja gender ministry at Honma, Onya Najuni and Net, now Kwenajuni China, say Obama a substantive minister Abetina, because Adwaso a minister in absentia or TUS already operating. So clearly, say Enya Mampenyi Sabia Hombrasem Boapayo Padia. And then it's even a ID.
I know the Bobisiano.
No, Senya Boapayodia. Because their cost should be a dear dance, yes, sir.
Yeah.
Baby, man pay dear Duno, or Yafa and Wadodo. Ya boss watchrow, say, gender ministry, and once am I cana. Ya boss watchrow, say, a nay, sa pledge, you know, I bear national pledge, you know. Sa seed money now, mocha once my mom 1 2 dino. And then yes, you'll be the Ajayi. They are command 32. Yeah. Adiachi, yes, the 25 Akotua. It's a because they are to 2 in the name of seed money. So the country and the president and the Jubilee House should come clean and clear.
Kwabena, so when say as we speak, MMDC
8 months in here. 8 months in here. Many quite my ignore because we MMDC now. And if government is expecting say MMDC is better perform, and not like. Because this performance, ɔKɔfɛfiri, clearly they are buying a breeding say, ɔmo breeding ketasise any proye. Local assemblies now mujina mampenya name. So performance they are out of the day because the bear now can come and team the year jumano. Emma, it ways and means or the did that's what he's going to look out for. Yeah. As we speak now, so small scale or small whatever SMC contractors. A chrome nefu basa. A chrome a cow be now the deputy minister say a Tiomoka. A show before our back. No, I am contemplating. Yeah. When deputy minister of Rush, one major and countries were SMC contractors. I am contempo ni urada sem. Please. That's why I say. When a catch us a cathedral and papa, toys attach Munko stream, Munko, a young cremo for dining, a Christo for down who does Munka Nakazu. Upon said the woman chief so a bubu a judge for dying, and the gun because baby a judge 14 a rented space. Upon sa canning in ano. I don't know person size. What is seed capital? And number some years, sir. It is seed capital near to Dinda. Ebe kwa kuji 300 million. Na fiasa. What is this?
But some say cathedral never cost $200 million.
But that's not a problem. That's their problem.
200
that
million.
Is somebody's personal pledge that is being enforced on the whole country. Why are you Christopher?
No, but down John Kuba catching one because I'm so big game. Say some man penny be shebo ewo ahafo. So basic school there. One can saw the personal.
There's a clear difference between. There's a clear difference between that bosha wakosha wahafo. Any the osio nyamidia to na koma so. Clear difference. What's he talking about? Yenya power we are now for the explanations out do oba. Assembly ebe chim, brother ebe chim. We all attended the same school. We all attended the same school. Yenya power we are now for the definitions of different issues eba. You can't go now. We are power. The meaning of go when you are in power is different from when you are in opposition. When you are in opposition, go a meaning different. When you have power, go meaning different. What country is this? What country is this? Things are falling apart. The center is hardly not holding. Now we are now say Ukraine and Russia impacting Kratum. Because the
picture you are painting here, no.
In life. A country of V8s going to take loan and grants from countries almost to Peugeot, any ordinary Benz. Every political appointee beyond Okra V8. Every political appointee Okra V8. From time immemorial, the painful aspect is been with impunity or Parquet Bay programmer. 3 hours na ta. Your petrol. Once you occupy public space, every crowd of private money in there. But to me, the difference between your private money and the public money.
Because finance ministry, I'm saying 25 million. No, say your man penny sika, and also say taxpayers money. Coffers bay money free. For 12 bay money
the finance minister no krano. Data bank annex. Now most are buying almost a BIA on a financial advisor. Conflict of interest, you can't there be. Obia and Timinya Hoshi. What the Moncosa? Keep it up. Moncosa, Ghana in the tree. Moncosa. Financial advisor, their consultant, all government works, majority of government works in Ministry of Finance, correct? An extension of data bank.
Kwabena, they say, you know, my we are sorry, Kwabena, Omanhene, Kwabena Asante.